Dale Cowan, and I've owned this car since 1978. I bought the body and the frame for $150 back in 1978, remember. And the old girl was on the road for 20 years or so, till 2007. I tore it all back down, and it was all, you know, smooth and everything before, but I made her gas her up this time, and decided to do it a little different, having fun with it.
It's a 40 Willis. You got a small block Chevrolet in it.
Small block 350 Chevrolet.
671 wind.
671 wind. And
how much horsepower you putting out?
a whole lot. Because I hadn't put my foot all the way down yet, but you know, still breaking it in and making sure that everything goes good. 6-speed Richmond. On the knob, you know, you see it's got a 6-speed thing there. It's a lot of fun to drive.
Oh yeah, you just don't see these cars much anymore. They're pretty rare.
No, this is all steel.
That's what it. Yeah, I see it was all steel. It's not fiberglass body for the viewers that's watching this. It's real deal steel.
And there's not many all steel Willys around. Not many at all. I found that console. It's a '63 Ford Falcon Ventura, but it fit in there real good. I got it down at Pickers. Third brake light for safety these days, and the rear view camera, and
Oh yeah.
stereo.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's a good thing I ain't got paint, huh?
It's a good looking car, man. Thank you for coming out.
I appreciate it.
Thank you for coming out.
Thank you.